so scared.
Great White Fire video.
Oh, he's such a pretty kitty. He's a pretty kitty.
Hi, pussy gato. I want to be the gato. They make me want to waddle in the bottle waddle.
Stop it, Ralphie. Stop it.
They're so cute.
Get
She's looking at you like you're weird.
Bye, Ralph. Stay here by yourself.
Go.
Let me come over here and pick you up. Like some kind of punk ass fool.
Oh. Ooh, he's a good girl.
You're gay.
Baby.
Oh, hush, man.
Baby. Callie.
What's your man versus food?
What's wrong? You can look at the camera. Hey. Hey. Oh, hey. You trying to bite me now? You trying to bite me now? Hey. Pretty kitty. Pretty kitty. Pretty kitty. Hey, stop trying to bite me. You're a pretty kitty. Pretty kitties don't bite. She's gonna bite you. Pretty kitty. You're pretty kitty. Pretty kitty. Are you trying to bite my foot? You trying to bite my foot? You trying to bite my foot?
Ooh, she's getting furious. She's clawing the couch. She's
Are
doing
you
this.
getting mad?
She's doing this.
Are you getting mad? Are you getting mad at me? You don't like the camera in your face? Okay.
Yo.
You don't like the camera in your face? Huh? Okay, I'll leave you. I love you. You're gonna sing it? Say I love you. Oh, fine. I love you. I love you. Oh, she wants to bite me. Did you get in a fight? I feel a little scab. I feel a little scab on your side.
What's a big deal? Just put a bandage or something. Or alcohol?
Alcohol? It's not a cut, Ralph. It's a burn.
Put yourself in a cold bath.
Anyways. Kitty. Kitty. Oh? Oh? Stop trying to bite me. You're gonna get up now? You're gonna walk away? Walk away. Walk away.
Being a kitty cat, 'cause I can climb trees.
She climbed down the Christmas tree yesterday.
Not the Christmas tree, the tree outside.
Oh my god, really? Oh, I'm saying.
So let me give you the finger.
But
That's so gay.
Told you.
Pretty kitty. Pretty kitty.
What's me? What's you?
Pretty kitty. Pretty kitty. Pretty kitty. She's gonna bite you. I'm gonna laugh. What's wrong?
Like, what is wrong with me?
What's wrong with my kitty?
What's wrong with my kitty?
What's wrong with my kitty?
Out. I'm gonna knock you out. I'm gonna say knock you out. I'm gonna knock you out. Oh man, what's up with you? My freaking phone, I said.
Stop touching my feet.
No.
Next thing you know, thing went up.
In 5 minutes, the whole fucking thing went out.